How to use the Safe Home DIY Glyphosate test kit to test water. Collect your water in a cup and allow it to reach room temperature. Place the microvial on a flat surface. Use the pipette to transfer exactly 4 drops of water from your cup into the microvial. Then, use your pipette to draw up the solution and expel it back into the microvial 5 times in a row. This will mix the reagent and the sample water. After mixing, let the solution set for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes are over, transfer all of the solution from the microvial into the sample hole of the cassette, marked with the letter S. Then, wait exactly 5 minutes. Read your results by comparing the C and T marks on the cassette. If 2 lines appear, then the glyphosate concentration in your sample is at or below 200 ppb. If only 1 line appears at the C mark, but not at the T mark, then the glyphosate concentration is above 200 ppb. If no lines appear, or a line only appears at the T mark, then your results are invalid. If this is the case, please reach out to our customer service team and we'd be happy to assist you.